move that back and screw that back in like so. So that's the hard drive all reconnected and powered. Like I say, it's only for a mass storage. I mean, it's got 80 gigabytes on it. You know, I could my other system that I've got that just runs Netflix on my computer, on my television downstairs, I'm only running a 120 gigabyte SSD, and that's the bottom of the basket. So, one. And the last one. Okay. There we go, nice and tight. Just move the cables out of the way. Don't want fouling any fans. I mean, there's plenty of space in here anyway, so it's just not going to happen. But there we go. Don't need any of these cables. Let's just shove them off the top. Out of the way. I'll put a strap on them later. Just make sure they're all tied up out of the way. Okay, so just got to put all the connections back on. So we've got front header, we've got audio, we've got USB. So we've got USB for those SD cards, so that's going to be that one. We've got front panel USB, so let's put those on. There we go. We've got audio, so front audio is down the back here. You do have to have small hands when you do this, I have to say. And the cables do normally want to twist in the directions you don't want them to go. Well, okay, so that's the front audio. And then I've just got to connect up the hard drive to a SATA connection, which is right here. So let's use SATA 3, where's SATA 0? We use SATA 0. Might as well start at the beginning. Should I get around the right way again? No. See it? Okay, around the right way. There we go. So that basically is the computer built. So all I've got to do is put some power on it, and then obviously see if it's got a post screen and link up to a computer monitor. Wish me luck. Right, I've actually disconnected his hard drive. Most of the noise was coming out of that hard drive whirring at me. So I've actually unpowered it for a minute, but listen to how quiet this is. It's like the grave. So, I'm leaving that unpowered. I've put it to him to transfer everything on that to an SSD, which is silent. And obviously that could be a sign the motor's on the way out as well if it's whirring at me. But right, we're going to go for a post screen. Let's see if I've installed it correctly. Okay, so we've got the post screen. It's all working. So all I've got to do is install Windows, and we are done. There we go. Right, so I'm running Cinebench to stress the system. As you can tell, the volume has gone up a little bit. That glow from the RAM in there. So I'm watching the temperatures. We're up to 56 degrees, which is pretty good. Still fairly quiet. Yeah, so install Windows. To install Windows, just so you guys know while that's running, I use this little guy. And you open him up. I can do it one-handed. It's a USB! How cool is that? That's got Windows 10 64-bit on it. Anyway, we'll let you know how the scores go in about 7 more minutes. We're up to 56 degrees, it's just about holding there. If I keep it in the less than 60s range, that is an excellent CPU temperature, because every core is being stressed at the moment by Cinebench. It tests your entire system, gives you a score minus the GPU, so it really does make it work. So let's see what happens. Okay, we've got a score of 3261. Let's see if I can overclock it a little bit and get that up. Let's give it a go. Okay, so I overclocked it slightly. So that's your score, 3,746. Welcome back, everyone. So I finished the PC build, as you can see. I thought I'd finish off the conclusion to it in the garden. The sunshine's lovely. I'll be on the boat this week, sailing around the Isle of Wight, so there'll be videos coming for that. But no, PC build's done, so bang for the buck, it came to £242, a little bit more than the original budget, but we did have a few technical issues with that old hard drive and one or two things for longevity of the components that I put in as well. So £242 for what my brother is getting is still an absolute steal. He's going to love it. This one's done. The breakdown I'll show you is coming up just after this, but this video's done. If anyone wants a computer built, give us a shout. I'm the man. In the meantime, like I said, I've got to go and prepare for the boat and do some packing now and look at tidal charts, weather charts, sea charts, everything. Anyway, that's coming up soon, so be good, be kind. Catch you later.